Well, good morning and welcome to Fishing with CJ, and back down in Cornwall, and we're out with my good friend Mike.
Once again.
Yeah, once again. And
Hi there.
oh yeah. And we're after pollock.
Oh look, there's one over there just jumped.
Oh right, pollock. Right, let's see if we catch a pollock.
Continuity, I'll put my hat on. Yeah.
Yeah, got to put our life jackets on as well, I guess, but
Yeah.
we're only about 6 inches of water at the moment. Alright, put the camera on when something happens. Well, Mike's in.
Yeah. Oh, I lost him.
Oh no. Oh no, he said.
Bugger. I give him snack 9, that's the trouble.
Yeah.
He was starting to get worried. Oh, they are.
Starting to get worried. You're going to catch all the fish.
I know you were, weren't you? I can see that.
But it's just learning how to use this lure.
That's right, yeah.
I've taken the metal grip clip off it because it affects the way these walking lures work, definitely.
Yeah.
And it's working a lot better now. And it's just learning. It's really
Working out how to use a bloody thing.
Yeah, that's right. But I mean, it's literally a little tiny twitch to the rod tip.
Yeah.
And it'll pop as well. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with these. The trouble is when you get excited.
Out the water after that one, didn't he? It was brilliant.
Yeah. The trouble is when you get excited, it's hard to be gentle with it. Well, we've had so many fish missing my lure that I was about to swap over to one of Mike's magic lures, which I'm not allowed to show you because they're secret.
Yeah.
But I know I'm going to be looking on eBay for them. But we got one, and it's all right. It's putting up a really
good fish.
Explosive take.
Oh, he woofed that right then.
Yeah, yes, he wanted that. He wanted that.
Right.
Yeah. Fish on.
He jumped right over
He's
it.
going.
That
That was a proper explosive bite, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, jumped right over the top of it. That's a decent sized fish as well, isn't it?
Yeah, he is. He's alright.
And he hasn't swallowed the lure this time.
No, not this time. Ooh, break a roll.
I think that's kind of on the limit that I would need a net for. And away!
The way he goes.
And he's gone. take your roller out there.
Yeah, it's a good idea. And the other one. Pop them in there. I won't lose him.
Mike's in again.
Yeah.
With his
He's
secret lure.
running right towards me. I think he's very big.
He nailed it though. I saw him nail
He
it.
did, he nailed on top. As soon as it hit the top.
Yeah.
As soon as it hit the water. Woof. Although he's staying quite deep. Ooh. Ah, this isn't a bad one. This isn't a bad one.
So they're hanging on.
It could be a net one, I think. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, he is.
Alright, I'll get in there.
Bloody hell.
Oh yeah, that's a decent fish,
That's a
isn't it?
good
Cool.
fish.
Got a bit of beam on him. Oh yeah, nice fish.
Got him.
Got him.
Look at that one.
Oh, nice. Nice fish.
What a beauty.
What a beauty. Get his big brother.
Yeah. What a lovely pollock.
Pesky bass after your pollock, mate.
Yeah. That's what we want. Ones like that.
It's definitely what we want.
Yeah. How big's that one?
£5,
5.
6 maybe.
We'll go round the corner a minute.
Yeah.
Right, and catch several out there and keep them.
Ooh, big swell behind my lure then.
Is that? Oh, there! Look at him.
Yeah.
He nailed that, didn't he?
Yeah.
As soon as he must have been right on top of it. As soon as it hit the surface,
Yeah.
push.
Yeah, probably responded to the splash of the lure.
Yeah, he
didn't
did.
Came rushing it to see what it was. I'm not going to get anything at him with it because I've got the camera on.
Good old T-move. Eh?
A pachinko on.
Yeah.
Was that on a pachinko, that big one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
A T-move Chinko.
Mm.
When he started tagging on, I thought, ah, here's a nice little fish.
Perhaps I'll go back to that popper.
Eh?
Perhaps I should go back to that popper I was using.
Yeah.
Right, go with a popper now. Gold everywhere.
Yeah. They are, aren't they? Eh?
This water's gone a little bit more coloured here now.
It has, yeah, murky. We had a bit of rain.
Yeah.
Well, that shouldn't affect it.
Well, we've stopped trying to catch pollock because we were getting plagued by pesky bass.
When's it come?
And it's slack water now, so we've stopped. We've dropped the anchor, and we're having to go for a gilthead. Not gilthead, gilthead bream. Gilthead bream. Which is a fish I've never caught, but reputedly they are great fighting fish. Mike's got a bit of lugworm on, and I've got a bit of I've got a crusty crab, and we're just fishing on the bottom. So
In amongst the rocks.
in amongst the rocks, yeah,
Sandy gullies.
yeah. Put the camera back on with something happens. Corner now, see if we can't catch a couple of bass for the pots. Not allowed to land the bass if you catch inside the river here, so that's where we're going out, see if we can get some that we can take home. And yeah, we'll see how we get on. There's lots of birds working out there. There's no way you'll be able to see them on this camera, but there is quite a lot of birds working out there. Good. So we've come around the corner to the west of the Camel, and we're up right underneath the cliffs here. It's beautiful. Looks very fishy. We're fishing with a pajinko still.
Yeah, I am. Because it's not very deep.
No, quite. Should be able to pull them up.
Yeah.
Right, let's get a rod in the water.
Okay.
Let me get a rod in the water.
Good. Catch a fish.
Right, there's a big sunfish on the surface here. We'll see if he comes back up again. Probably now the boat's here, he's not going to like it. As usual, I just got a great film of a swirl. Yeah, bizarre. They're great big circular fish, and they swim on their side.
Yeah.
So the fin? You sometimes think it's a shark because you see its fin stick out of the water, and it's not. It's one of its pectoral fins. Yeah, it's gone. It obviously doesn't like the boat being here. It's gone.
Like it.
Yeah.
That's the second one we've seen.
Yeah. So we've seen two. That's the second one we've seen. The other one was a little bit further away, so I didn't try filming it. But keep your eyes open. You never know. Might get to see another one. They eat jellyfish, don't they?
Eh?
They eat jellyfish.
They do, yeah. And sand eels.
And sand eels apparently, because Mike managed to catch one. Yeah.
They
So
weighed about 40 pounds, and it jumped out of the water like a dolphin.
really.
Amazing, yeah. Give a hell of a scrap.
Yeah, I bet. I mean, I've nearly caught them with a landing net. This coming up here is Stepper Point, which you may have seen me fishing on before. I'd like to come down here and have a go with a cast with a lure, or fish with crabs for wrasse. Yeah, it's a bit of a climb down, but it's nothing too bad. Might come here later in the year, bring Jada Ray down here, see what we can do. So that there is flat rock. So if you were to come down from those cottages here, when you come to that next hedgerow, it's adjacent to that, you've just got to find your way through. It's gone.
Oh, I not missed him.
Sorry?
You missed him.
No, he was on.
He was on, was he?
Yeah, he was fighting. They say it's probably a bass. mean, that's bait still good.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, no, it was going right up to the last second. So we've come back in for the giltheads. I've just had quite a good bite, but we suspect
Your camera's going the wrong way.
Yeah,
Not me.
Yeah. Right, we've come back out on the giltheads. I've just had a cracking bite, which was there. I was playing it for a while, but obviously let go. But yeah, the system is working. Probably a bass though, we think. Back out and have another go.
Yeah.
Same bait. I'm using a crusty crab, which I've cut in half, and catch both halves onto the hook. It looks like the fish had grabbed it in the middle, away from the actual barb of the hook. So. That's fishing. Right, Mike is now going to show us how he rigs up with mussels. They are a real good bait for giltheads.
It's a staple diet.
Their staple diet. So is that a bit of bait elastic there, is it?
Bait elastic.
Okay, and you tie it off into the hook eye.
eye.
That's a good idea.
If you can. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll just wind it on. Well, normally I'd tie it on.
Yeah. Just winding them onto the hook.
Yeah. Wind it on there. Start there, get a bit on there. And another bit. Slimy little devils.
Mm.
And the elastic, go around there. There you go.
Lovely bait.
Lovely bait. Look at that.
Juicy as hell.
What can resist that?
I'll be tempted to eat it myself.
And the bait's free, so.
Yeah. So he'll whack that out and we'll put the camera on when he catches something with it.
What I'm going to do now, take this off, put that on as bait.
Nice.
There you go. Flip them right in closer.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's the end of a really enjoyable day out on the river Camel with Mike. Just like to say thank you very much, Mick, for a great day. Yeah, we had a few fish. Didn't get the gilthead that we were hoping for, but it was worth a try, and I learnt a lot. So always a school day when you go out with Mike. So we are heading back in now and get the boat on a trailer and get back home. Just a short video this time. I'm off to France next week to learn all about catfish and carp fishing.
so watch out for that video. And if you haven't done so already, please click the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, and recommend me to your friends if you enjoy these videos. I'll catch you on the next one.